with a jet black interior. Here though, there's a 6.2-liter V8. Some features include a power sunroof, heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, wireless charging, Apple Carplay, an Android Auto, and a power park brake. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane keep assist, parking sensors, hill descent control, a backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows, and powered mirrors that you can fold in using this button here. Some storage and cup holder space below, as well as our Bose speaker. To the left of the driver's seat, we have our power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats with Denali stitched in at the top, and we can hop inside here. Just to the left when we get inside is our power park brake, as well as our optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, and our lighting controls with LED cargo bed lighting, as well as the heads-up display. We'll go ahead and start it up here. In the center is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls, as well as our Bluetooth controls. To the left, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and our super cruise. There is the bar at the top. Checking out the infotainment screen, we can check our audio options. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using either Bluetooth or a USB. Also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can now take a look at the navigation. And there it is. Take a look at the backup camera as well. Also has the 360-degree camera. We have the sides near the tire and a ton of options. Just below that is the dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. It's also where we can find our heated steering wheel. Below that is the lane keep assist, parking sensors, power tailgate, traction control, hill descent control, and some storage below, as well as a USB-C and USB plug-in. 2 cup holders here, and underneath the center console we have our wireless charger. Taking a closer look at the center console here, we can open it up, a USB-C and USB, as well as a 3-prong plug-in. We have storage along the top and more storage below with a light at the back. Here's our rear view mirror, and if we flick this here, we can switch it to the camera display. Put it back, you just simply flick it back. Above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights and the sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Denali badging along the bottom, chrome mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, power retractable assist steps, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back here. Of course, we have corner steps on either side for easy access to the bed. And here's the exhaust. Of course, to open it up, all we gotta do is double click. It's gonna drop down for us. Plenty of space back here, and we also have a handle to help us get up to the top. And it's a multi-pro tailgate, so we can drop this down and then drop this down. We have speakers, kicker back here. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder space below, and here are the seats. Of course, we can lift these up to get some more storage in the back. We can hop inside here. At the back of each seat, we have magazine holders. Of course, we have handles on either side. 2 dome lights at the top. At the back of the center console, there's 2 cup holders, as well as our rear vents and rear heated seats, including a USB-C and USB plug-in. If we take a look at the middle here, we can pull this down to reveal an armrest / cup holder. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for watching this quick review of the 2020